Brian, for giving me a little demo here on keeping my windows clean.
Okay, so open up your window past this block up top, and it'll just lift up and out.
Lifts out from the bottom.
That makes it easy to clean that anyway. And then this track right here, if you were just to take a putty knife and stick in here, this track will pop right out, and then it'll just be a nice block. You'll see a couple holes in there for the weep holes. Sometimes it doesn't hurt to pour a little water in there, make sure everything's flowing. And then just clean it really good. This track will just snap back down in, and then you just put your sash back in, and you're good to go. And then maybe just hit the track with just a little bit of silicone spray.
Okay.
And it'll work perfect.
Fantastic.
Yeah, that's
That,
definitely a little squeaky.
I think the squeak is just from debris then.
It's probably on a little chunk of sheetrock. That's what
So
that
get it
does.
cleaned up and we'll be fine.
That's why it goes away, because it crushes the sheetrock, and then
Okay.
this is sheetrock.
Very good.